Rock Computer College. Define quality training in information technology.
In Photoshop, saving works a bit different from other options. Now, instead of working with one file type like MS Word, it offers a variety of ways to save your document. Now, when saving a file in Photoshop, you have several options and file formats to choose from. Over here, I have this image that we're going to use as our example. And the first file format is PSD. Now, this is the default file type for Photoshop documents. PSD files are designed to be opened in Photoshop, so if you want to share the image with others, you'll also need to save a copy of the image in a common file format like JPEG. Now, the good thing with PSD is that it allows you to re-edit your work later. Once you save it, you can come back to it and re-edit it later. And then we have the common file formats. Those are like JPEG and PNG. Now, these file formats can be viewed and edited on almost any computer or on mobile device, which makes them well suited for sharing with others. Now, unlike PSD files, these formats aren't as useful if you plan to continue editing the file later on, and they also can't preserve layer information. Now, if you want to save for the first time, you'll use the Save As command. What you do is you select File from the menu, then you have this Save As command. Now, this is when you're saving for the first time. Then click on this command, select Save on your computer. Now, this will pop up. Give it a file name, so I can call it cut. Then Save As type. Now, here is where we'll get the file formats. As you can see, we have lots of file formats. We have the PSD format, we have the JPEG, we have the PNG. You have all these file formats to choose from. Now, if you select PSD option, make sure the layers command is checked so that you can save it with the layers information. Then click Save, click OK, and your image will be saved as a PNG. Now, if you want to save it as a JPEG again, you just come to the menu, select File, click Save As, save on your computer. Then from here, I can choose another format that I want. Let's say I want to work with the JPEG. So I'll save it as a JPEG, then click Save. And now I've saved it again as a JPEG. Now I can make my edits from over here, but I like it as it is. I'll leave it at that and click OK. So you can save one image in lots of file formats if you want. That's all you need to know about saving images in Photoshop.